Good afternoon, children. In last class, we learnt about different states and cities in India. Today, we are going to discuss about Incredible India. Incredible means impossible to believe or extraordinary. India is the land of festivals, famous tourist destination, and also rich in culture, tradition, and how many monuments. Today we are going to discuss few monuments in India. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the white marble monument built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a memorial to his wife Mumtaz. Taj Mahal situated on the southern bank of the river Yamuna. It is the symbol of eternal love. Taj Mahal is the white marble monument built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a memorial to his wife Mumtaz. Umaid Palace. Umaid Palace situated in the royal city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It is one of the world's biggest palace built in the 20th century. Umaid Palace is the last royal palace built before the independence of India. Umaid Palace situated in the royal city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It is one of the world's biggest palaces built in the 20th century. Brihadeshwara Temple, the world's first granite temple. Brihadeshwara Temple at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Interesting fact about its architecture is that tower above the sanctum does not cast a shadow. This magnificent temple was built in just 5 years under the Rajaraja Chola. The world's first granite temple, Brihadeshwara at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. It's dedicated to Lord Shiva. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. The slave king Qutbuddin Aibak started building this tower in 1192 and completed the first story while the other three were built by Iltutmish in 1230. The tower was built to celebrate Muslim dominance in Delhi after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu ruler. It is the highest tower in India and also tilted. Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur and also known as the Palace of the Winds. The 5-story majestic palace is built in pink sandstone and possesses hundreds of screened windows and small balconies. Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur and also known as the Palace of the Winds. Thank you.